Hey y'all, happy July the 15th. Today is Wednesday. We're out here in Kennesaw, Georgia. Went out this morning to Decatur, Brookhaven area. Screen and Recoat, UV Cure. They booked for next Friday. And then once we leave here, we have 3 more in-home consultations, all in the city of Atlanta, going back to Lawrenceville. So what we got going today, guys, this is a wax removal, buffing, and also quartz countertops. This is Miss Chanel. She reached out to me about 2 weeks ago. I think she found me on Facebook. She did do a paid in-home consultation. I came out, she booked on the spot, and let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys. So it's T. Show you what we got going. We got some engineered floors. We're gonna be doing these floors, and the reason why is because they have a lot of residue on these floors. So we're just gonna clean them, get off all the residue, and then buff the floors out. And we're also going to do the quartz countertops. And let me just kind of zoom in and show you. First of all, got a lot of staining, water stains, residue. It feels real rough up in here on these quartz. And then with this, now the cleaning buffing is the only process where you don't have to move all the furniture. So we're going to go all around here, all of this, okay? See some residue right there, all up in here, over there. Then you got a lot of residue right here. See all that, guys? And then also see all that residue that's shiny. So over time, people realize, see all the streaks right there, and all that. So what happened is they'll try to clean it themselves, can't get it off, get frustrated, do research, and they find someone like me. So that's what we're going to do, guys. We're also going to do this little strip right here as well. I also had another lead come in today. They had a company come out, did a horrible job screening and recoating the floors. As I always say, guys, you got to be careful, especially when companies give you low prices. He said, Courtney, my wife called a company and they did not do a good job. Floors look horrible. Sent me pictures, and yes, they look horrible. So we're going to go out tomorrow and correct that issue for them as well. It's in Fayetteville, Georgia. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on these floors and also these quartz countertops. You're going to see a huge improvement. Look at all that streak. See all that? So, on the countertops.
Clean and buff, round and round, round and round, round and round.
Watch this shine.
Come back now, come back now, come back now, come back.
Spin it, spin it, spin it.
Burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, clean and buff. Burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it.
Spin it.
Clean and buff.
Round and round. Whole flow shining through the town.
Slow glide smooth.
Don't make a sound.
Watch that shine.
Come back around. Buffer spinning real slow. Whole flow got a wet glow.
Side to side, nice and smooth. Old wood floors got a whole new groove. Clean and buff.
Round and round. Whole flow shining through the town.
Slow glide smooth.
Don't make a sound.
Watch that shine.
Come back around.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. My client came down and looked at the floors while we were buffing them, and she also looked at the countertops. And guys, everything came out great. This is the importance of maintenance. Don't have to go through extreme replacement, sanding, if necessary. All right, guys, so we are done. Now we're about to go knock out these last 3 consultations. I actually had Courtney's of battle. You just heard that relief, guys? I just heard that relief, Miss Chanel. Huh? When you said,
I'm just like, wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did they say I have to take the floor up?
Someone told you that?
We had 3 people here.
3?
Before I called you, before Chastity, who you still don't recall who she is, gave me your information.
3 people told you to replace these
We had
floors.
to take these up. I had called to try to get a sample of this because we couldn't find any.
That's crazy.
3 on mine. And so I was
I
going to
know.
call you.
We
because
hear-
I'm like, if
yes.
3 people say it, I mean, okay.
You'd be so we go out of state and do this for that reason. But even for them to tell you that because of residue,
3.
that's crazy.
Yes.
Wow. That made me feel even better.
I know. That's
Wow.
3.
Look at this. 3 companies, guys, just because of residue. All right, we're also going to leave Miss Chanel a gallon of our cleaner. Tavara's about to go get it now. And we're also going to have that link, guys, on my website. So people always ask, well, Courtney, how do I keep my floors clean? That's the first question we always get asked after people see their floors. So I have my own in-home cleaner. I'm going to add a page to my website so people can also order it from the website and we'll ship it next day or 2. And also look at her countertops. Quartz countertops look amazing. Thank you. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. I did not know that 3. Wow. I don't think you told. Yeah.
I probably didn't. 'Cause I
Yeah.
just was
Wow.
like, okay.